Written by Mary Ann Marazzi. Illustrated by Laura Hoffman. 9 cows. 9 horses. 9 pigs. 9 bulls. 9 goats. 9 chickens. 9 sheep. 9 geese.
The Ocean, written by Catalina Page, illustrated by Nora Vutas. The water, the sand, the coral, the seaweed, the fish, the crab, the starfish, the ocean.
Off, written by Marilyn Edna Slemon, illustrated by Nora Vutas. Focus question. What is the cat doing in the book? Connections, writing, and art. Draw a picture of the cat jumping off something new. Label your picture off the math. Kinds of pets do your classmates have at home? Make a graph with your class.
Được rồi, nó đòi gọi đi con.
Off the bed. Off the couch. Off the table. Off the chair. Off the computer. Off the towel. Off the step. Off the car.
Cheryl Ryan. Illustrated by Nora Vutas. On the house. On the bike. On the swing. On the bed. On the airplane. On the fence. On the table. On the skates.